Is 6:30 a.m. here in beautiful California. My alarm's going off. Let's get that. And with that being said, let's get this bread. So, what we got? We got Apple opening up to begin with. We had 20 million, or was it 20? $320 calls, $315 million worth of 320 calls were sold today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking Apple right now at open. I know I shouldn't. I'm taking an Apple 315 call. We came out bussing. Dang, it's actually kind of expensive, but it's in the money already too. Uh, I'm looking at the puts. See, we did this one time before. Wow, it really came out the gates bussing. But everything else is red. Everything's red. S&P's big red. SPY's big red. Tesla opened up. Everything going down except for Apple. Okay, Palantir, Amazon, eBay. We got some green on today, but there's a lot of big red. Huh. I'm assuming all this action on the apples is because $315 million worth of calls were just sold. That makes sense. But everything else, I'm not really seeing reason for. All right, so far it's just turned green. And I want to get in this apple, but it's a little. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait because it should could easily pull back. Just give it 5 minutes. Give it 5 minutes. Those breaking that 315 rather easily. All right, we got some more green on the day. Let's see. All right, the S&P is coming back, and I'm not gonna lie. Go watch my video last night. I said I would not be surprised if everything started opening down and then started to recover back towards the levels it closed at. Seems that's kind of what's happening. Man, I kind of want to take a put. Let's see, it broke down, but the candle's green. Make that make sense. Checking out the puts on the S&P 500. All right, let's see if we break this 75.16. If we break this 75.16, this bitch is going down. But you see, 75.16 is the low of the lowest candle. I want to see if this candle can break that low. If that can break that low, we can keep going down. What in the world? Dog, my light is over here shaking. That was crazy. Cause ain't nothing moving over there. This light was just shaking. I don't like that. All right, we're having trouble breaking down below. Got hammer to the downside. Oh snap! We broke VWAP. We broke the 20 and we broke the 250. I'm just now noticing that. What's that looking like on the 15? Oh, we did it on the 15 too. No, this might actually really be going down. On the 30, we broke VWAP as well. Oh, on the hour, it's still holding up. Well, it broke VWAP. Yeah, this might be going down. It's breaking VWAP across multiple time frames. Like I said, 75.16 is what I'm waiting for right now. If we could break 75.16, this is going down for sure. If we reclaim VWAP at 75.26.50 ish, right here, 750.26. If we reclaim that, then we could continue to the upside. Right now, we're going down and yelling timber. Oh yeah, Tesla did. Nvidia went to 192. Apple's struggling to break 312. QQQ took a big dip. Part of me wants to just get in early and say this is going down too. Especially the way it's struggling to reclaim VWAP. Good morning, beautiful. I hope your day's off to a good start. You feel well rested. And tell Reese I said, what's good, little nigga? Feel me? Let her know I'm thinking of her in the morning. Back to the charts. I'm just waiting to see if we break the 75.16. We have broke VWAP. We broke the 20. We broke the 250. I have a strong feeling. You know what? Let me pull the trigger. 220. I like it. All right, so I just bought the 74.60 put on S&P 500. I might be a little early still because we're still testing that 75.16.63. We haven't broke it, but we got big red. SoFi, Tesla, Nvda, Apple, Broadcom, everything's red. The SPY. The fact this is taking so long to break down is actually preposterous. I don't understand why. I'm not gonna lie, I just bought two 74.60 puts. I bought one for 185. I have it set to sell for 250 right now. The other one I bought for 240. I'm down 45 bucks. I don't have a sell on it yet. So far, we up 10 bucks on the second one. Acting like it want to reverse, but everything's still dropping. Tesla, Nvda, Apple. Yeah, the SPY done dropped 2 points since opening. Oh, we're reclaiming VWAP. I don't like that. I just don't understand why this is going green when everything else is going red. That doesn't make sense to me. Literally everything is still dropping, and this is going green. I don't get it. Like we're reclaiming VWAP, we're reclaiming the 20 EMA. It doesn't make sense. I mean, I guess everything's not green. Oh, all right. The SPY is turning turning back up. Amazon's green. All I know is that I got these puts now, and I'm lucky getting smoked. All right, we about to. So we broke VWAP to the upside. It's held for a candle. Right now, I'm down 100. All right, I'm down 62 on one, 15 on the other. Yeah, I told y'all I bought a little bit early. I should have waited for that complete break of 75.16 down here. Oh, we got to 75.17, and I got happy. Give me that one little flush. That's what we want. All right, down $7 on the second one. Still down $62 on the first one. And that's just that difference in timing. All right, up 250 on the second one. 750 on the second one. Dang, bro. All right, yeah, I'm getting out. I got to get out. I'm about to get smoked. I just got a feeling things are about to reverse. Actually, I don't know, bro. I just don't want to stay in it anymore. Time decay. It keeps reversing. It's breaking VWAP. It reclaimed the 20, and now it's breaking higher. Yeah, I need to get out. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. It just it reclaimed that 20, but it broke down below it super quick. And we getting all these green candles, but we really don't have any value. It's like we had one big red push, and then actually that was closing out yesterday. Yeah, none of these have that much volume on them at all. But yeah, this time decay is already starting to kick in. Right now, I have a sell order set for the second one for $2. It's at 175. It really is supporting that level right there. Yeah, it's supporting that heavy. That's crazy the way he's dancing on that line right there, bruh. The way that y'all can't even see what I'm looking at in real time. The way this is dancing is so close to breaking at 20 and staying below. It's fighting. All right, so we up 15. I didn't want to keep seeing this bounce like that. The other one, we still down 42.50. It's just crazy because Tesla's still bouncing. That's what it is. Tesla's trying to fall, but it hasn't broke 414. Nvidia hasn't broke 192. Apple's still trying to maintain 312. So everything else is fighting. That's what's going on. But this is a fight that needs to be lost. I want my 52 back. All right, so we at 190 from 240. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, we at $2. 210. Now we only down 37 bucks on it. Oh, now we breaking that 75.16 like I wanted. Oh, we touched on the low of the day. We didn't break it, but we touched the low of the day. Now can we break through this low of the day? That's what I was waiting for. I just got in way too early for it. Sometimes you pay for being right. Over the time decay, I'm down 30 bucks and the stock is lower than it was when I bought it and I bought a put. So long story short, it's doing what I thought it was going to do. It just took a couple minutes longer than I wanted it to. All right, so now we only down 15. We at 225, 230. I got a sale set for $3. So we $10 from where we bought it at. Oh, oh, not the reversal, not the reversal like that. Yeah, the fact that that just happened like that might mean that I should just sell. As that reversal happened way too smooth. Way too smooth. But let's see. So Tesla just fell another $2. And see, this is something else I don't like doing because of the fact that I got into this like this. I just been watching it. I should have been taking puts on other stuff at the same time. I'm about to take a Tesla put. I'm take. Oh, Tesla's a little expensive right now. I'm gonna wait. All right, 220. We're down 20 bucks. 230. That's not wanting to break. Oh, 75.13. Come on, bro. Just break down. Just break. At this point, it really just needs to break down. Stop playing with me. Just give me 75.05. At this point, just stop playing. Give me 75.05. We just got straight downside so far on the first hour. We still below the 20. We still below VWAP. I just stop playing. Just give me 75.05. 7,500. Really, just for this fact that I don't feel like holding this, I think I'm gonna just wait for it to get back above 240 and sell, even if it's just $10. I don't. It's taking too long to do it. I won't. It really is just the price action isn't matching because it broke the levels that I want two, three times, and the price just isn't correlating the way I'd like it to. And that's just because I bought it mad early. All right, 220, 224, 215, 220. There we go. 245, 235. Continue. Let me get 350 out there, huh? See what I say, 75.11. We're going to 75.05. They're really gonna make me just sell this before I get some good profit. Come on, bro. Oh, it reached 260. We want 75.05. Oh, 230, 240, 250. We up $10. What did I tell you? 7508. We want 7505. 7505. Call me the S&P whisperer, bro. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? 7505. Why are we going that way? That's the wrong direction. And that's a crazy recovery after hitting that low like that. One candle? Yeah, right. What? Bring that boy back down. Bring that boy back down. You're kidding. That right there is actually crazy. I was about to say, ain't no way we just go red like that and that one candle is gonna flip us green and continue. No. We're still only 30 points away from price. Now, see, just like that, 215, 25 points away, 225. Yeah, see, I knew, ain't no way. They was just bringing that back up so they could drop it back low. What? Yeah, that's what I expect. That's not what I expect. Ah, I said it a couple of times that I'm gonna get out, but now I really think I'm gonna get out because what is that? Yo, I'm not liking all these green candles. That's what I came here for. I came here for the downside. 220 again. I got in at 240. 210. I really want at least $3. I want 350. I feel like 350 is in play, especially if we do go to the 75.05. $2, 205. All right, I just gotta sell it, bro. I gotta sell it. I just gotta sell it because right now I'm getting annoyed. I'm getting annoyed and I'm getting frustrated. I'm a little flustered. Like, why won't you just continue down? Stop bouncing. I think we might have seen the bottom of the day. 75.09 might be the bottom of the day. I guess we've only been in it for 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15. Nah, it was that 75.05, dog. It went that 75.05. Yeah, yeah. 75.11, 75.10. Oh, we back at 220. I set this sell order back for 350. Once I zoomed out and looked at the 15, we were below VWAP, we were below the 20. We below, oh no, we not below the 250, the 250 down there. But that's on the 15. But this is playing games with my emotions. 75.05. All right, we back in play 240, 245, 250. That's crazy. All right, I'm just about to set a sell for 250, make $10, and then come back and tag something else. My goal on the day is $50. I'm already up 15. That'll put me halfway there if I get this at 250. I forgot about my tea. Mm, pretty good. Wow. So the RSI is extremely high. So it's not about to continue like this for too long. But the RSI has been pretty high. I guess it's not extremely high, but it is. It's getting. I don't know. I think I'm just trying to find a reason to stay in. And the only reason I'm staying in is because we still haven't reclaimed this 20. We still haven't reclaimed VWAP. We still haven't reclaimed the 250. But it's been a lot of time. So the time decay is getting annoying. I'm down $40 and the stock is like $5 cheaper than when I first bought it. And we keep getting this downturn, but it's not breaking. I need this one to break 75.08. And see, it's already trying to recover. So again, we're at 210, 212, 213. I just need a nice little push. 75.11. Let's just drop $5. What's a $5 drop? Drop, 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 drop. Somebody cue up that Drake. That looked like a bit of an M right there. You know what I'm saying? We broke that first one. E 75.10 and just was at 75.09. 75.08. It's only at 2:30. That's crazy. I'm telling you, this time is eating me. This time is eating me up. Yeah, we keep breaking lower, but my contract's not doing what I want. So I think I'm gonna just cut. Mainly just because the time decay isn't worth it at this point. Because we even had two lower lows and I still haven't broke above my entry price. I don't like that. I'm trying to get out for the quick little $60 pop. I bought it for 240. I'm trying to sell it for 3. But right now it's looking like I should just sell for break even and call it a day. Not a day, but you know what I mean. Do I hold out for 75.05? We at 75.07. There we go. But we still only at 235. Like, make this make sense. 75.06, 75.0570. That's crazy. And we only at 247. That's crazy. That's crazy. They straight playing me right now, bro. They're playing with me right now. 255. I just waited for this like 20-point drop just to make $20. That's crazy. That's madness, bro. That is madness. Whatever. $35 on the day, $15 away from the goal. That I just got cheated, bro. I just got cheated. I just got mad cheated with that one. I was just in this play for like 30 points, bro. What? Let's see. Yeah, man. I just wrote this from 75.26 to 75.03, and all I got out of it was 20 bucks. And that's what I was saying about the time decay. Just because of the fact that I bought it so early, the time decay ate most of the profit. That play moved 30, 40 bucks, and the contract only moved 20 bucks. I'm sick, bro. I'm big sick. All right, now it wants to move. That's crazy. All right, let's see what else we got, man. Let's see what else we got. Let's get ready for some downside on the rest of this stuff. Apple's been going down for the last 15 minutes, so I'm gonna buy an Apple put. I've been testing this little theory that whatever Apple does for the first 15 minutes is going to continue to do that for about an hour. So I'm gonna grab this Apple 310 put for 142. See how we come out with that. That's crazy, dog. I set an order for 142 for 141 instead of 142. It's already at 148. That's been 30 seconds. I'm telling y'all, bro, I know what I be talking about. I'm a little chart whisperer in it bit, but it's making me sick because I don't want to up my price and then it dropped to where my original order was. I'd rather buy into profit. You feel me? But it look like I just got to get in because it's going more down. I see it. I hate chasing like that. All right, but we in Apple 310 put for 150. We up 350 already. Oh, let's see. Oh, we broke the 20 day. We're below VWAP. We're below the 250. Oh, the next level for it to break below completely is 311. So let's see if we can go back to 308. Apple to 308. So as you can see, we broke down. We broke down. We might try to recover a little bit, but I don't think so. I think we go back to this 310, 150 range. Anything is possible. Anything is always possible. Let's see right here. We just broke the 250 day on the 5. It's trying to break below and hold. Yep. Just like that. Just like that. Bro, the contract that I had, I'm about to just get off the computer, bro. I sold this contract for $20. 2 minutes later is now worth 510. I'm so pissed. I'm pissed as fuck. I'm pissed. And now Apple trying to reverse. I'm big pissed. I'm so pissed right now. Look, Apple just dipped back below 150. I'm selling out this bitch. I'm about to go do something else and I'll come back. The fact that I just sold out of that pissed me off, bro. What? I wish that I didn't even look up right there, man. I want this Apple to break, bro. I wanted to break 311. I'm holding this price pretty strong now. It looks like I want to reclaim this 20 day EMA. See it keep doing that though. It keep touching it and then breaking right back down. It's pissing me off because I said that the S&P 500 was gonna break 75.05, and it fucking did after I sold. So I'm trying to be patient and not sell this prematurely. Oh, we still got plenty of downside, and it's showing me right on the 5. We want to come back down here on the 10. We want to test this. On the 15, we below the 20, we below VWAP. So like everything is telling me it should continue down more, but it don't want to, bro. Everything except for this 1 minute chart is just saying it's fighting. I'm just tired of watching this fight. I've been gone green a couple times, but it's only $10, $15. I was trying to reclaim VWAP on the 1 minute. If we reclaim the VWAP on the 1 minute, I'm completely out. It looks like we're about to. Yep, it's about that time. Oh, bro, VWAP, hold, didn't hold VWAP. Let's see. All right, this is a break and hold above VWAP. And we're going right back under. Looks like we might be going right back under. At least trying to. Okay, couldn't turn. Yeah. All right, that setup is invalidated. We broke VWAP. I'm down 45 bucks on the play. That's my 30%. 30% and out. Let's go ahead and cut the trade, guys. I feel like trading for the rest of the day is gonna be a little bit of a guessing game, because everything seems to be bouncing within a range now for the last like 30 minutes. All right, and just like that, we're $73 up on the day. I took a 705 QQQ put, sold it for 250, made $53 profit. And so that's really how I like to trade, quick in and outs, and it works so much better for me. I knew that Apple trade, once it took so long, I should just sell. Really, I maybe should have just held, as it really only invalidated the trade on the 1 minute, but it broke VWAP and it broke the 20-day. So I really am watching it. Ooh, I'm about to re-enter. I'm about to re-enter because now it's playing nice. If it breaks this VWAP again, I know it's going back down. Yeah, bro, give me my money back. The fuck? That's crazy. That's crazy. It's not too crazy. One of my rules is don't re-enter trades, but as soon as it broke, it reversed in the same minute, which it's not completely crazy. It's just damn it, dog. I'm over here trying to double down, fight to get my shit back. You never revenge trade. You never take a trade because you want to get your money back, and that's exactly what the fuck I just did. I was literally textbook revenge trade. But it also I had reason. I had reason though. I had reason because you see this was going on. This candle was falling, and then the next candle did cross VWAP, and then it bounced. You feel me? I should have waited for the second one to see if the bounce came or not. The bounce came, but let's see if we can get the breakdown. You feel me? We want some bounce to it. It's like a good beat. You get some bounce to it, and then you get ready for the breakdown. All right, so we breaking down, we breaking down. Really, if I could just get back to it, if we just get rid of it for 140, I'll be cool. Right now it's at 116. I originally bought in at 165. So we're at $48 deficit right now. Let me move that over. We could break VWAP in this 20-day. I have no complaints and no worries. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm just asking for a little flush. Little flush. All right, now we only down $40. Overall, $29 on the account. Yeah, bro, this shit is fighting. Bring it, bring it. Yeah, bro, this shit don't want to drop for nothing. I did it to myself, guys. I did it to myself. Don't know why I got back in. Well, I do know why. So originally I was saying I wanted 310. Now I'm not so sure. As we struggling to break below 312.40 again, we reclaim VWAP, we reclaim the 20-day. Once it gets to that 313 range though, it's breaking right back down. But it needs to break 312.40. All right, so we broke the 20 day. The 20 is also risen higher. We just broke VWAP. We're breaking VWAP. All right, there we go. That's what I wanted to see. Oh, it was at 114 from 165. We still down $50 on it. Go ahead, break 312. It just likes turning around as soon as possible. Yeah, it's time to cut. I already said that. It broke VWAP and it broke the 20 day again, but now it's reclaiming it. It is breaking above 313. It's trying to. Oh, we're back at 312. Yeah, so I want 310 on Apple. We've gotten as low as 311 recently, and then it recovered. I might just sell out. Again, time decay, and the fact that I had already bought in once and I sold for a loss. I think if I could sell this one for a win, it's cool. Is I'm green on the day, so I'd rather end green on the day than hold on and try and fight this and go red. And so I want to see if we could break VWAP again, but I don't want to be here all day. Yeah, we out. All right, let's see if we could tie QQQ again. What the fuck? Apple's not playing nice. I can't even say it's not playing nice. I kind of just missed the move. What time is it? 8:02. How do we want to skin this cat? Really, I think the best thing to would do is just wait for QQQ to try and break the 20 again. Might have bought that too early. Might have bought that too early. Yeah, we got in and out. $5 on that. In and out. You see, we dancing on that line. I want a nice little break. On a clean break. Yeah, I don't like that dancing shit. I don't like that dancing shit. Oh. Mm. Oh, we $13 away from our daily goal of $50. We would have already hit it if I had stayed in that SPX put. Would have hit it twice, bro. That I'm still sick about that. And if we never took these Apple puts, it was Apple at 313, we should have took an Apple call. Actually, interestingly enough. Uh, mm. How do we want to get this $13? Spy looking like creeping. Honestly, I think I'm gonna just wait. I'm gonna just wait until like an hour or two. I'm gonna wait like an hour or two. We'll be back in like an hour or two. Oh, right now we green in the main account. 73 bucks. 73 bucks. And extra account, 36 bucks. The extra account, that's the fun account. That's the account where I do risky shit. You feel me? That's the account where I took those Apple puts. That's the account where I got in and out of QQQ twice. You feel me? I had 200 on the side just for safe shit. Or not safe shit, for fun shit. You feel me? It's just for fun. And we're down $36. Yesterday I cashed out $30. So you feel me? Around break even. And then with the main account, this the month I gotta protect this one I care about 73% or 73%, $73. So technically we hit the goal for the day, which was $50. Between both accounts, we had $37. So I'd like to make another 13 before the day ends. It's 8:21, so we still have 4 hours of trading left. I'm gonna finish my tea, go ahead and stretch because I'm gonna be sitting a lot today, and I'll be back in about an hour or so. I probably like 9:30 ish, so I can catch like the 12 o'clock moves. And let's see, before I get off, I'm gonna just make a bet. I'm gonna bet that QQQ reclaims 708. It try to hit 709. It bounces off of VWAP and goes right back to where it's at right now. That's my prediction. Let's see. Apple is going to go to 315. If we break this 250-day moving average, you know what? You know what? Let's go ahead and test the theory. I'm not supposed to be doing this because it's taking two different directions. I'm taking the up and the downside, but the downside proved me wrong and said nigga stop playing. We got life in us today. So we had 313.79. If we break this 313.90 level, we're going to 315. So let's see what's the 315s hitting for. A 315 call is 142. I'm gonna just buy one right now. Buy that for 142. Boom, we in there. And I'm gonna set a sell order for 160. So that's $17 profit. And so that's what I be telling people. Like people be trying to ask me about how I trade. When I'm really trading, when I'm like in the zone and I'm not trying to fuck around, that's what I do. I buy something, and as soon as I buy it, I turn around and set the sell order, right? So I bought it for 143. I'm setting a sell order for 160 right now. And when I play with the S&P 500, that's what I do. I'll buy an option contract and I'll set it for the sale within the same minute that I buy it. So I don't even have time to think about it like that. Like if it goes green, I'm out. If it goes into profit, I'm out. And that's another way that I end up cutting my profit too early is because I don't wait for it to mature. I don't wait to see what it's doing. I just set the percentage I want. You feel me? If it's $100, I know I want 30%. I'm gonna buy it and turn around and set a sell for 130. And that's an easy way to protect capital when you have a strong belief in the direction that you're going. And see, we're at 150 already. You feel me? So that's $6 on it. Oh, let's see if we can get that next $10 up. We're up $10 already, bro. That's the shit that I like to see. That's the shit that I like. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna sell it. You feel me? It's like going up $10 in less than 10 minutes. I'm just gonna sell it, bro. Actually, let's see if we get the 160. Let's see if we get the 160 that easy. Because we're at 151 already. Nah, fuck it. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it. I'm just gonna sell it. Why not? That's crazy. It broke VWAP that fast. Or not VWAP, it broke the 250 that fast. I broke above it and below it in the same minute. That's crazy. Not the rejection. No, I bought into rejection, and that right there lets you know that I should just leave Appl alone for the day. That means I need to just leave Appl alone for the day. That's crazy, bruv. That's literally almost as soon as I bought it. I bought it, it went into profit, and then turned around in the same minute. That's mad. I'm sitting here smiling. I'm losing money. Please just reclaim that 250 real quick. I'll just bounce up out of here for the $6. I went from 143 to 135 that fast. All right, back to 139. 140. Back to 150. 146. 147. 148. 150. I'm gonna sell it for 150. I don't like the fact that it's struggling. I wasn't supposed to be sitting here. I was getting up. Yeah, it is what it is. I wasn't trying to make a play. I was actually getting up. I just saw that we were breaking the 250. I was hoping we could break it with a little bit more momentum than what we did. It is what it is. I'm not tripping. It was a green play, and it went $10 in the first 2 minutes. So I should have just sold then. You feel me? For real, for real. Is what I bought 143. Let me see. Calculator. Yeah, that was about 10% in less than 10 minutes. So it was like 10% in 30 seconds. So I really couldn't even be mad. I should have sold for that $10 right then and there. So let's see, we're at $40 on the day. So actually no, we're at $41 on the day. So $9 away from our $10 goal. I can't even be mad. $9 away from my $10 goal. And really, we're big green on the day. I have one red trade for real, for real. Is it green? $53, $20, and then green. So that would have been what? 15, 30, 34, 104, $107. That would have been $107 green if I didn't take that one Apple put. And that Apple call just went 154. That would have been $11 instead of just 10. Really, I should have just held it for the 160. I knew it could have went there. But like I said, I'm getting my ass up for a second. I'm about to go stretch. It's 8:30. I'll be back around 9:30, 10 o'clock for another hour or two.